Hey all, welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I'd carry on the content about these two. My two vintage helis. Obviously we got the T-Rex 450 and from a line, and obviously we got the E-Sky Belt CP Feet 2. Oh, I've had this one 15 and a half years and this one 15 years. For the past, I say 3-4 years, they've just been sat on the shelf. The batteries I put them away full on charge, and obviously they ballooned and died. So recently I just purchased one battery just to check everything was still working. I've done a quick spool ups in the room. There's 2 videos on those, only shorts, just to make sure they'd spool up and spool down. So today I thought I'd bring it outside, just give them a little hover. They're going to be short, as obviously I've only got one battery, just to check everything is still fine working. It's a little bit windy, but so it's going to be short and going to be low. Right, hope you enjoy. I'll give the T-Rex a little go first, and hope he survives. Right, let's throttle up. Right, now it's time for the Belt CP. Let's see how this one goes. So there we go. It's a short little flight of both. After 15 years, things are still going strong. Well, hope you all enjoyed. If you're not a subscriber, consider it. Be part of the family. And of course, if you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Much appreciated. Right, take care all. Catch you on the next one.